Hit it like that.
Hit it again. Sure.
Oh! Wow! Hey, Dad, that's not BS. I'm gonna show y'all my new dinosaur toy.
Okay, y'all. So he got this new DINO. What? But anyway, so he got this new dinosaur toy. It say we gotta smash it. So we gotta figure out what we gonna use to smash this thing open and see what's hidden inside of this egg. Okay, y'all. So we got the egg open. Almost, y'all. Now we're gonna let Junie go ahead and slam it on the table. Hit it like that.
Hit it again. Sure.
Wow!
Whoa, we got it open.
So cool.
Let's see what you got. Okay, what is that?
I don't see it. Look like the red thing. Oh, I see.
What is it? Oh, it's a dinosaur.
That is a toy.
Okay.
Let's see what.
Okay, so we got the slime.
Yeah.
You got another one to open?
Yeah.
What's that?
Let me see.
Oh, you got some stickers.
Whoa! That look like
Show 'em.
that too.
Oh, let me see. Show them your stickers. Okay, these are cool. Look at those.
The other one,
I like this one. It's funny looking.
I like that one.
All right, ready to open up your slime?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's see what that is.
Let's do it. All right, Junie, I think you got a mystery dinosaur inside that slime. You got to get it open so you can see what dinosaur you have. So we got to figure out these are the dinosaurs.
Ooh, I like this one right there.
Figure this. All right, pull it open. Go ahead.
Oh.
Put your hand in there and get it out. Oh.
Oh my god.
Pull it all out so we can see. You gotta pull it all out. Pull it all out the bag.
Seriously.
You gotta get the dinosaur. He all stuck inside the slime. It's more in there.
Ew. I just to get it off my hands. Oh my god. Oh god.
Okay, now let's try to get all the slime out the bag now.
I took it all out.
You gotta get all the slime out. Let's just help him get. Oh, this is slimy.
Yeah, it's really good.
Look at all that
That was
slime.
another one. A foot.
Alright, so we put the dinosaur together. So Junie has the Tyrannosaurus. Here, Junie, here go your dinosaur. You gotta put him in there in the slime?
Yeah.
Let me see him get stuck in the slime. Oh, dang, you done broke his leg. His leg's stuck in the slime, Junie.
No, it's not.
You gotta put it back together.
I gotta get it off my hands. Okay.
Alright, let's see you put the leg back together and get him in the side of the slime.
So you get a good one?
Mm-hmm.
Thank you for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that like bell button.